Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I will share with you how I make this delicious and spicy fermented millet porridge. For this porridge I used water, peppercorns, ginger, grains of salam, millet and cloves. Start with thoroughly washing the millet. Put the millet in a bowl and cover it entirely with water. Cover the bowl with its lid and let it ferment for 2 to 3 days, maybe even 4 days if you live in a cooler climate. You can refresh the water every day, but I personally did not do that. So this is my millet after 3 days. I'm going to pour off the water and wash it thoroughly again. Now put all the ingredients in a blender or a food processor and blend until smooth with as little water as possible. Put the mixture in a strainer to get rid of any extra bits the machine was not able to blend. Add water and keep stirring until you have a smooth porridge. I cooked mine for about 10 minutes over low to medium heat. Add milk and sugar to taste, and there you have it. If you like this video, you might like this fermented mice porridge recipe or this buffroot video. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.